Hey guys, you know who it is, you know what it is. It's BOYE on your favorite YouTube channel, Chat with BOYE. And today we are going through a different twist. I'm going to twist it a little bit. Today I'll be unboxing the new Samsung A52, which came out a few weeks ago. And I got it, replacing my A51, which I recently just sold. And I'll be taking you guys through the unboxing process, everything that's in this box, and the first review or first impressions of the phone. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'll be giving you 10 reasons why you should buy the Samsung Galaxy A52. The Samsung Galaxy A52 comes in a very sleek design, a plastic body and steel side. It almost looks like the Samsung Galaxy S21. It has a 4500 mAh battery. The back camera has 4 cameras, including the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel macro, 5 megapixel depth and 64 megapixel wide camera. Shoots videos of up to 4K and 30 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy A52 comes in different internal memory sizes and RAM sizes, ranging from 128GB internal memory and 6GB RAM to 256GB internal memory and 8GB RAM. Samsung has improved its features by giving you an easy multitasking ability, meaning you can switch between apps and still be good to go. The display comes with a Super AMOLED 120Hz at 800 units with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels at 20:9 ratio. The phone is water resistant, meaning you don't have to worry about the rain or water spilling on your phone. It comes in various colors, from awesome violet to black to white and blue. To get this phone, the price ranges between 108,500 naira to 136,500 naira. For more reviews and unboxing videos like this, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on post notification and follow me on all my social media platforms. See you guys on the next unboxing video. Bye.